Hey everyone, I am here with a quick tutorial on putting together the library card pocket thingy. This one's from the June monthly subscription kit that I will link below, but the kind of the process and the steps would be the same for whichever way you want to do it. But these are just a really fun little pocket to make for your junk journal. So let's just get started. So I have all the pieces cut out and inked, and I have some other little tidbits that we're going to add onto it. So first you're going to take this piece here and you need to fold all of these under. And we're going to just attach that to this main back piece right here. So let's go ahead and attach that. Now obviously you can switch it up and do it how you would like, but this is how I do it. And I'm trying to get close to those edges right there, right in here, because you know, you want those edges not to catch on things that you're tucking in the pocket. All right, then just line it up and give that a good squish. And it's just like the ones in the card catalog when I was a little girl, inside of my library books. That kind of dates me, but you know, they would have that card with the checkout dates and everything stamped in them. All right. So there's the pocket. You could glue that in your journal, or you could add it and use it as a flap, add like a tab and use it as a flap or whatever, but way fun. Now this is the journaling card. You could put this like on this side, or you could do it like this and then decorate this side. I like to make it just a fun card. So that's how I will be doing it. And this is just a spot for journaling. If you don't really journal, you could add a picture or just embellish it. There's plenty of other fun little ephemera cards and stuff in this kit that you could absolutely put on instead of this. All right. Now I'm going to be putting this tab on. I did a little extra stamping, just so you know. That was just little extra things. But I'm going to put this tab up a little above the card because I want that gap in between. But play around and see if you like it better somewhere else. You just never know. All right, I'm just eyeballing that. Getting that where I want it. There we go. And I printed everything here on a lightweight cardstock. So if that gives you any idea of kind of what to gauge for. All right, then I just kind of had tiny little scraps. I just love this ticking patterned paper. It's so just versatile. You can use it everywhere. So I just had a little tiny scrap and I couldn't bear to even throw that much away. So I just kind of tore one edge and I'm just going to use it for some fun texture there. Let's see. How do I want you? That's cute. All right. So I'm just basically making a fun little collage. Just for fun. You could put a word or a quote or a picture or some fabric or lace or whatever. Fun, fun. And then I have this little one. This is from a separate little, tiny little, I think it's called the Tiny Labels kit. This one and this one right here. And they're just fun when you need to add like something a little different. Just a nice layer, just a fun little touch. And it's nice to have those just all cut out, ready to go, easy to use. All right, now that part's all done. So you're done. It's that easy. But I wanted to add an eyelet. And I will show you why. Because I have to show you this fun thing I made. All right, let's go ahead and put an eyelet in there. I forgot to grab it out first. There we go. I kind of didn't quite get that in the center. Oh, well. All right, there we go. Okay, so here I have to show you. I'm going to get up nice and close. I hope you can see that. I just have these like necklace charms and this was just a gear, and I thought where we had like the clock and the watch kind of a theme that this would be so fun. So I just, in the charm, I put a piece of like kind of just word paper. It was just word. You can't hardly see it through there. Let's see if I can get a better angle on it. Oh, there, you can kind of see it. And I glued that in there, and then I put the little metal gear in place and kind of glued it down. And then I just did embossing, and I did like 6 or 7 layers. So I tried it out to see if I could do it on video, and I decided it would just be loud and annoying because you have your little heat gun going. So I didn't want to do it on video, but I did like several layers to fill that in and kind of bring it up. So let me show you, see if I can show you from the side at all. But anyway, it was just fun, and it's super satisfying to hold that. So anyway, I wanted to make something special to hang from this fun little guy. Maybe I should just come in through the back because, nope, that doesn't go around back. I'm gonna have to turn it. There we go. So anyway, this is just a fun little extra. Kind of chunky, so if you need it to fit in a small space, this might not be the greatest addition, but way cute. All right, so now that can go into our pocket. And the coolest thing, oh, I glued something shut in there. Yep, there we go. The coolest part is this can come on out to the outside. So it'll be dangling down just like that. Anyway, super easy, super cute, and just a really fun method to have those little flaps and have your pocket. This shape is easy if you don't have the template. All you need to do is get like a plate to give you that kind of tracing line for that rounded edge, but there are plenty of options. So anyway, I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.